Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim, and in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how you can create a perfect website for your client and for your business in just few minutes. So question arise here, what is website? Website is 24 by 7 online presence so that you can use to communicate with people, sell your product, describe your services, and also for other purposes as well. So now you will learn that how you can make website. So just like Hostinger and other platform, you can also create a website in Canva. So it's really simple. For that purpose, what you can do, simply log into Canva, and the search bar there is option you can write website. When you write website here, you can see there is multiple templates available over there, and you can choose the template that you want to use for your website. Click on create option, then choose portfolio website, and when you click on this, now you have a white background and you can add some detail that you want to add. So you can take any format of text, any template that you can do from the left panel. So there is lots of information available over there. I am going to choose this type of font, so I will write Harvey Spectrum, and you can do adjustment of text. So from the upper panel there is color, text type, also you can see increase and decrease the size of font. Everything that you want you can do from the upper panel. From the left panel you can add templates, pictures, videos, different icons. So it's really simple. So I write here content creator and AI expert. So for that I will add a picture that I will take from the left panel, and beside that I am going to add some icon related to social media. So I will write here, for example, I am going to add Facebook. I will write Facebook. So you can see there is multiple icon available over there. You can choose one for yourself. And after Facebook I will do the same with Instagram, and the same with YouTube, and then LinkedIn. And I will take a rectangle where I will write some text. So I will write here get in touch. You can also do some changes in the color and the shape of this rectangle where you write the text. So after completion of this page, do some adjustment. If you are satisfied, just click on preview to see the final look of the page. So if you think that it's ready, just to move toward another section. From the left side there is option of add section. Just click on that, and you can see there is a section added. So I will change the color from white to black, and after that the next you can see there is search bar. So I will search for the template, and I choose this one because for me I will do a little bit changes and it's almost ready. So I choose this template, and I am going to make another page of services. So according to that I will add information. I can change background color and icons, all these things. So it's really simple, and you can do all these things in just few minutes. So after adjustment of all these things, if you think that your services page is ready, so you can move toward another section which is about me. So in about me section or page, what you can do, for example, I am going to make a website for my YouTube channel Knowledge Elevator. So when it comes to YouTube channel, I think that I should add a video of my channel. So for that purpose I will click on apps. There is app right here in the left panel. So when I click here, there is search bar. Just right here embed, and click on that. You can see there is embed icon available over there. Just click on that, and when you click here you will see there is search bar. So I will copy the link of the video that I am going to add in About Me section. Just paste that link here and add to design. So you can see your video is just added. And for another video, I will do the same. After completion of About Me page, what I will do, I will move toward another page, another section. So I am going to add another section which is about audience demographics, and I will take a picture from the left panel and adjust it here, and also right here audience demographics. Beside that, I want to add some statistic that is related to my work, so I can do it just right here. In the left panel there is search bar. I will write bar chart and I will copy a bar chart. So you can see there is option of editing. You can add information of your own data, and according to that this bar chart will get changed. And you can also do some other changes if you want, if you think that it's ready for further changes. So I will write here audience reach and add a picture just right here. Beside that, I will add some information like how much average followers that I have. So I will write here, and so how much for audience that we are getting in every month. So I will write here, and impression and engagement. So I will add one more picture just right here. So it's almost done, and I will click on preview. How much work I just did, I will check. So till now everything is quite okay, and I will move toward another section. So for example, I want to add a page where I will write about satisfied clients. So in this page I will write here satisfied client, and I will add some shapes from the left panel. So now I just added some shape where I will add some pictures, and also I will write here review of our satisfied clients. And this section I just added their name and their picture, and also the review that they give about our work. Another section that I want to add is contact us. So I will write here email of our company and also the link of our website, and I will add some social media icons like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all these, and add the link of our social media pages just here. So after completion of About Me page, what you can do, just check your website if there is anything missing. If you want to add more pages, you can add. If you want to remove anything, you can remove, and you can also do changes in text, shape, or different formats. What you want to do, you can do it. So for that purpose, you can use left panel upper, and also some more options that are available over there in Canva. Beside that, if you think that it's done, just click on preview option, and you can see how your website is look like. So from the top to the bottom, you can check everything. So in preview option, you can see that how your website look like, and you will able to analyze it perfectly. If there is anything missing, so you will be able to add this on time. You can do correction. And for example, if we think that okay, website is done, the text and the information that I want to add, I just edit here. Now I will add animation to text, to icons, and to picture that I use in a website. So when it comes to first page, I will add animation, and animation that I added to the first page, there is option apply to all pages. So I will click on that, and it will get applied to all pages that I just added to website. You can see the animation is just applied on all pages. So now I will move toward how you can publish it. At the top there is option of publish website. Just click on that. So when you click here, you can see there is two options, setting and publish. Just If you want to do some changes, you can do it and just click on setting, and there is multiple options like navigation menu, resize on mobile, password protection. All these things are available over there. What you want, you can just do it from here, and when you do some changes, then move toward publish. So just click on publish option. It will take a while. You can see on the screen there is right here preparing to publish your website, so it will take a while. And now you can see our website is published, and it's right here that we are live now. And you can see there is option. They just give you the link that will lead you to your website. Just copy this link. If you want to share with someone, you can send to your friends and your clients, then they can visit your website and see about your product and about your services. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you like this video, and it will help you when you are going to make website for your clients and for your own business. So that's all from my side. If you like the video and if you think this video helps you, just like the video and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Have a good day.